This present is from Kind Mama. I wonder what it is. Thank you so much for the present. Thank you so much.
Okay. Wow, what's in there?
It's just some rainbow shorts. Thank you. Kind.
What's that?
Justin Bieber something.
Let me see. Never say never. It's the movie.
Hey, what do you watch? Hey, Mama, we already watched the movie.
Now at the movie theater, right? Now we can keep it. You like it?
Yeah, thank you, Kind Mama. I love you. I love it so much, and I love it, and I love you too. Bye, Kind Mama.